Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get and set free ringtone on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So simply open your any browser, like open your Safari browser or Chrome browser. Go to search option, search set to fixable.com. Just go this site and showing it to music option or sound effect. I can select music and background music, birthday, no copyright music, sound effect. Okay, and showing here more. Select any one. Like download this and first play, and just download this. Press on to download. Okay, now it's download complete. Open my file apps, go to download folder. Recently download this. Press on open, or if you want to add this ringtone, click on share option, more, and use as ringtone. Okay, now successfully set up this ringtone.
Last Christmas.
So that's it.